Hey guys, I'm Adam Fennig with Fennig Equipment. You're tuned into the Talking Shed. Today we've got this really nice DMI Tigermate Field Cultivator. This is a 24-footer we've got in here, and we all know how good these DMIs have been. We've had several 527s in here and field cultivators as well. They're really solid tools. This one right here has got 9-inch sweeps on it, and they're like new. We've got shank protectors on this one. And as you look, there's plenty of clearance under this field cultivator for a lot of trash and residue to flow through. Out the back on the finishing side, we've got a 5-bar drag. All the teeth on there are in real good shape. And it's also got a rear hitch with hydraulics. And you can't see in this video, but we've also got a 24-foot DMI crumbler as well to go with it. So if you want that to go with it, that's certainly an option. If you want just the field cultivator, that works too. But give us a call on this item. It's got gauge wheels. Everything's good to go. It'd be a perfect field cultivator for you this spring. Give us a call on this item, 419-953-8500, or you can visit our website at fenniggequipment.com. Thanks for tuning in.